Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to buy TikTok coins with Paysafe, and here's how. Initially, we will initiate the process of opening your TikTok account. This process is essentially the same whether you use an iOS computer or an Android mobile device. Thus, all you have to do is click on your profile photo to locate it, and then click the Get Coins option. You will now be taken to the next page after clicking Get Coins, where you can choose which TikTok coins you wish to pay for. Basically, you may choose from 70 coins, 350 of which are available, as well as 700 and 1,400. All you have to do is choose any amount up to 17,500, or you can type a custom amount here to enter any amount you wish to pay. For instance, I am going to choose this 4,051, so you can see that we have the Visa MasterCard, GCash, and other payment options here. This means that the Paysafe card is compatible with both Visa and MasterCard. We will now choose to pick Recharge. From this page, you will see the order summary with your account name and total coins located here, followed by the payment method listed here. We will now choose to add a credit or debit card, and all that is required is the card number, the name of the cardholder, the expiration date, and the security code. As an illustration, this is the Paysafe card number. To access it, simply type the card number here, followed by the name of the cardholder and the expiration date. This will allow you to locate the card expiration date and security code. Therefore, all you have to do is fill out this form and click the Pay Now option when you are finished. Essentially, you may use your Paysafe card to purchase TikTok tokens once you click on your Pay Now. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.